Jean!
Hi, Ma'am
Hello! Hi!
How are you?
Welcome to our living room. Yeah, ito yung Hermes collection ko. Speaking of Sir Manny, hello Sir Manny.
Oh, nice meeting po.
Happy naman ako na matur kita sa bahay namin. Yes. Bilis ng panahon.
Kagabi yun, no? Grabe. Kamusta yung party?
Okay naman, nag-enjoy naman kami lahat.
Kami lahat sa front row dito, we're very, very excited na, first of all, nakapasok kami dito sa house mo. Alam ko it's a very private place. Pinapasok niyo ang front row. So, guys, be thankful na the Pacquiao family allowed us to shoot here. So, thank you so much from Manny, Jinky, Jimwell, Mike, and all the rest. Alam mo, very speechless. Mukha lang ako madaldal ngayon, pero honestly, speechless. Because to have not just Michael and Jimwell, but to have the First Lady of Philippine Boxing in the front row universe. Oh my God, Jinky. I admire your humility. I admire your strength. I admire your core, your inner core. That's how I feel. That's why I want, personally kami ni Sam, it was a unanimous decision that we want Jinky Pacquiao in the front row. And we feel ikaw talaga yung nag-embody ng strong, talagang you deliver the knockout punches talaga. So that's how we feel. But I want to know, how does Jinky Pacquiao feel na she's part of the universe now? And also Michael and Jimwell.
I'm grateful and also blessed, of course, na I belong to this family, front row family. I'm very happy.
Actually, sobrang excited din kami kasi yung shoot natin today, we're excited doon sa outcome. Pero ako, gusto ko rin malaman, saan ka pinaka-excited dun sa pagiging part ng front row family?
Yeah.
Pinaka-excited ako dun sa Front Row Cares charity.
Yes.
Kasi sa pagtulong talaga. Kami mag-asawa, the whole family, yun talaga yung goal namin, makatulong. Kasi syempre from yung baging mahirap kami and then ngayon biniyayaan kami ng konti ng Panginoon. So, dapat share your blessings. Yun din natutunan namin sa pagbabasa ng Bible. Kasi the Bible says, sabi doon, whoever is generous to the poor lends to the Lord. So, happy si God pag makashare ka ng blessings.
Wow.
Yun.
Sobrang happy rin kami kasi sobrang pareho yung
pareho tayo
sobrang
ng
pareho yung
advocacy,
advocacy ng Pacquiao family and ng front row family. That's why perfect yung pagiging part ng family nyo sa front row family. So, we're so blessed and happy na kasama na si Jinky and of course si Jimwell and Michael.
Of course, I want to hear from
Kumusta kayo?
two handsome Pacquiao boys.
Ikaw muna.
Oh, Mike.
So this is really new to me, and I'm happy here and blessed because of the opportunity to help other people, and for me that's what I wanted to do.
Imagine how these guys were molded into becoming responsible and really caring and concerned individuals. Good work, Mom. Very good. So, Mike, thank you so much. Jimwell, how do you feel that you're part of the front row universe now?
Well, I'm honored since Front Row is a very big family, and Front Row has like a lot of well-known names.
Parang kayo. Kaya nga nasa Pacquiao house tayo. Yun lang naman yun eh. Kaya tayo nasa Pacquiao house. Kasi talagang bagay talaga
sa
ang Pacquiao.
front row.
Oo, syempre yun ang level. Yung tawag din yung leveling. Diba? Sorry.
It's a match.
It's a match. So, anything else?
So I'm very thankful, and yeah, I do wanna help out with charity work and stuff because we want to set a good example for people since we know that people are looking at our family.
Yes.
So yes.
If there's any specific charity that you would want to be helping out, is it education? Is it underprivileged kids or sick people or elderly or animal welfare? Ano yung personal na gusto niyo sana? Let's say,
Sick
meron kang
people.
sick.
Oo. Kasi nasa Bible din yun eh. Yun kumaga help the sick, ganyan. And to pray for them also.
Yeah.
Yun ang pinaka-the best
Yeah.
key na parang ma-share ko din sa kanila. Yeah.
What about Michael?
For me is education.
Education.
Because education is important from what my mom and dad
Yeah.
taught me. And I want to give that to everyone because everyone needs it and it's important for everyone.
That's very true.
For me, it's also education. Since like there are a lot of kids now that are forced to work at an early age when
Yes,
they should be in
that's
school. So it's a good idea to help them out, to give them the education that they need. It is important.
Ganda ng mga priorities nila. At least, they're very blessed that at a young age, nabigyan sila ng magandang education. Unlike some,
Yeah.
your privilege na, diba? Ako naman, well, aside from education and elderly care, animal welfare naman ang gusto ko. Kasi I have a soft spot for animals. So, ako ganun naman.
Ako healthcare, just like what Jinky said, tayo di ba may balak tayo magpatay ng sarili nating hospital din para
Soon.
kasi marami talaga nangangailangan yan.
Whatever it is naman, whether health or education
Yeah.
or diba, animal welfare, the bottom line naman talaga here is for us to lend a helping hand.
Yeah, to all the front row members, sana magpursige pa kayo sa mga pangarap ninyo. Huwag kayong mag-give up and have faith in God kasi yun lang talaga yung key. Because apart from Him, we can do nothing talaga. We are nothing without God. So, yun.
Yun.
Tulungan ka ng Panginoon kung ano yung mga plano mo sa buhay.
Well,
Basta mauna siya sa
oh my
buhay.
God, yes, totoo yan. Totoo.
He is the center of everything.
Thank you. Thank you for that. Thank you. Thank you, Michael. Thank you, Jimwell. Pero alam mo kung saan ako excited aside from makita yung buong bahay niyo. Gusto ko makita yung closet mo. Pwede ba natin puntan? Tara na. Tara na.
Pag-isipan ko pa.
Tara.
Pag-isipan ko pa.
Tara, sige na. Mamaya ka na mag-gym. Pakita na. Guys, sa next episode siguro makikita natin lahat ng mga police.
Ay, hala.
Alright, lahat ng mga John Ogilvie, tsaka lahat ng service. Ito pa lang, guys.
Sample pa lang.
Sample pa lang ha. Upuan lang pala. So, guys, ito pa. Pati siguro closet ni Mario at ni Jimbo, pwede natin makita. Tama? Let's raid our closet soon.
Bongga din yan, I'm sure.
So, I'm RS,
And I'm Sam.
and Jinky, and Michael, and Jimbo. And we're saying, goodbye, front row. See you soon.